So yeah, this is Shubham Bibave from the Flawless Global. Hope you're doing great. Today I just want to have some word with you. Basically, what does Flawless Global does? Began as an marketing company, but eventually it went on to become a consulting company, and then we are dealing or we are trading internationally on your name itself. So basically, Flawless Global at present moment, and today is the date. You can just say 8th of February. Flawless Global currently does three things. We fall under three categories. First thing is we provide services. Second thing is what we do is we trade ourselves. We do the global trade and basically we import. We have our own supply chain and distribution from various countries. We can say Dubai, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, UK, US, Netherlands, and South Africa. The thing over here is like in the second category is like we import and do our supply chain and distribution ahead. Third thing what we do is like we act as a procurement company from India for international buyers. Basically, if you are someone who is an international buyer or looking for a reliable source from India, feel free. Feel like we are your own team members from India. So that is the case. The first thing in the services, what we do is like we provide three to four kind of services, which are first thing is like business consultation. What we do is like we provide sales and marketing strategies in order to expand for the companies on a like a domestic level itself, right? So how they can expand, whether it's like a business, manufacturing company, startup, any corporate company, any entity, they have a product or a service, right? We help them grow domestically. Second service is expert consultation. So second service is like export consultation. What we do is like we provide export consultation to the people who are interested to export their goods internationally. So what happens is where we take them from each and every basics fundamentals to an exporter, like a pro level exporter. Basically, this is not a course or what we can say. It's like a consultation where what we do is like direct practical trades. This is what we do. Direct practical trades is what is expected out of this export consultation. Then third thing what we do is like exclusive partnership where we exclusively partner up with the companies, products and services, grow their sales and revenue by taking a commission out of it. Fourth thing that we do is like mentorship. If somebody is a beginner in the industry of exports or domestic market as a startup, if they want to get started as a startup, we provide startup mentorship. Second thing is like export mentorship for the people who are beginners. So the consultations are for the people who are already doing some business. Consultation has two parts, which is like business consultation and second is export consultation. Again, mentorship has two parts, startup mentorship, again export mentorship. And third thing is like under the service is like just exclusive partnership where the people who are doing very good, most probably close to 200, 300, 500, 700, even 1000 crores per year annually. This exclusive partnership is for them. Where we exclusively partner up with them. We use our own resources in order to grow their sales and revenue on a global level. This is what we do. So this is the part about the services that we had a word about. Coming part to the P category of working that we do is like import. So we have our own setup and local base at Dubai's Al Awar market, right, in UAE. So where we import a lot of products in Dubai and then again re-export to different countries where there are no sanctions or more tariffs on India, right? So Dubai being a good trade hub, it's very easy to import in Dubai and again re-export to different countries. So this is what we do in Dubai. Again, we do a lot of import stuff in Sri Lanka, UK, US, South Africa, and Netherlands because these are the good trade hubs in the nearby countries. That is the reason these are a good thing that we have our own supply chain and distribution in each and every country. So yeah, that is the case. Again, what we do is like coming down to the third category of how we're working. We act as a procurement company from India for all the international buyers. If you or any international buyer are interested to procure reliable supply from India, we are a good fit because we have a good resources. We can get you the best price. We can get you the reliable price, a reliable supply, and basically we are reliable. This is what everyone says, but looking back to the track record, I don't think so. There might be any issue for international buyers to get along with us because if international buyers, if between you and Indian people, if there's something that has been lagging or if there's something that is yet to be breached upon, we are those people. So we will connect you with the best of the best resources from India. If you are somebody who is interested to import products from India at the bulk level, feel free to reach out, send out your RFP to globaltrade@flawless.com.